in the yeah.
With Rochielin, let's go. Summer with Rochielin,
Yeah.
let's go.
Good job. Hey fam, you guys remember from like maybe 2 or 3 videos ago, we spoke about building a sandbox for my son, right? And we went to Lowe's together and we picked out the wood and the things that we'll need to build a sandbox, right? You guys remember? We're on the same page? Yeah. So it's always been my intention to build this sandbox because I see how much he likes playing. My son likes playing in the sandbox. He likes his construction trucks and his excavator, his dump trucks and all of that. Something about it just makes him happy and I like to see him happy. So I decided, I wanted to give him that sandbox. So my intention is to build the sandbox from scratch because I'm a DIY queenie. So I went to Lowe's, I got all the things and it's time to build the sandbox. But I was supposed to do that like 2 weeks ago and I haven't done it yet because I've just been so busy doing so many other things, but it's been on my mind to get him this sandbox and I need, yes, dump truck baby, dump truck. Yeah. It's been on my mind to get him the sandbox. I just haven't gotten around to it. So I was scrolling on Facebook Marketplace and I saw someone selling a little sandbox on there. And I'm like, hey, why bother stress myself and build a sandbox when I can just buy this little one? I mean, I really wanted to build it because I know if I build it, it's going to be of good quality and it will last. But it is going to take some time and that is time I don't have right now. So I'm happy I found this little sandbox on Facebook Marketplace and I'm actually driving to go collect it right now. So that's what we're up to today. We're no longer building the sandbox. We're just gonna be buying a little sandbox and putting it together. So you guys come along for the journey with me. Let's go get this sandbox. Alright, so mission accomplished. I'm finally home and now I'm about to set up this the sandbox. Let me show you guys what it's looking like right now. So this is the current temporary configuration. This is what you call sandbox. It's literally some sand in a box. Wow. But as you can see, the sand is wet because it actually rained last night and the box got destroyed. By no means was that meant to be the permanent solution. It was just because it was one day he was out there playing and he just want something and I'm like, as the figure outer that I am, I was just like, hey, I have some sand, I have a box, let's throw it in and you just work with it until I get to it. But no, we're at the get to it stage and clearly that can't work because the sand, first of all, I need something that can be covered. I need to be able to cover it and I need it to not be able to get wet and it needs to be bigger. And yes, I was gonna build it, but building is off the table now. So let me show you what we just got. Do you guys see how he has his excavator in that box? Yeah, I'm fixing that. What I like is that this sandbox has a cover. And I take it off and voila! That's the sandbox there. Can he fit in it? It's a lot bigger than that box and he fit in the box. I think he'll fit in this one, right? Let's load it up with some sand now, shall we? Okay, so we are finally at that point, guys. I actually cannot believe that we are already here. It feels like it was just yesterday that I was walking around vomiting, nauseous, can't stand the sight of my absolute favorite thing in the world, plantains. If you know, you know. Pregnancy had me in a chokehold, okay? My morning sickness felt like an all-day sickness. The heaviness, the constant tiredness, can't see or touch my toes. But all in all, I was very grateful. Grateful for the blessing that I was carrying, and then a few months later, finally getting to meet that blessing. That was 2 whole years ago. Almost 2 years of breastfeeding, learning to take care of a whole new person, rediscovering myself, dealing with postpartum symptoms, and even regrowing my postpartum hair that disappeared. 2 whole years, guys. 2 whole years.
Hooray! You did it!
Now we're entering a new chapter where it's time to potty train my boy, and I am a little emotional because where did the time go? Anyways, I'm setting up his new potty. I have no idea how to properly do this potty training thing, but like everything else in motherhood and parenting, we shall try as many times as we need till we get it right. Oh man, screwed it on the wrong way. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below, because after all, you guys have been here this entire journey, so you're basically family or family.
Everything is possible when the sun is shining. Days like these don't last forever, so I'm holding on to every.
Look, what's that? What's that?
Potty.
Yeah, that's a potty.
Big potty.
Yeah, that is a big potty.
This is a small potty.
Yes, that is a small potty. Good job. Pee in the?
Potty.
Yeah, and you poop in the?
Potty.
Good job. You're gonna come and you're gonna sit and you're gonna pee in the?
Potty.
Good job. Sit, let me see. Oh, yeah, you're such a good boy. Good job. So I'm here packing orders, and Argentina is playing in the knockout round right now. And my cousin Tavia, you guys remember Tavia? She's a big Argentina fan, and Shawn is a Messi fan, and Argentina is on the too. And it's so funny because I'm on the phone with her, and I just stress out because them I lose. And Shawn, on the other hand, I'm afraid for girl on this because they're not in the winning right now. You see, I don't really care. Whoever wins, all the best. I'm gonna go back to the network.
Road, 72 minutes. We have 90 minutes, so we have at least 18 minutes left. Only for shots can take in that, my friend. Everything to the goal, I know. Everything. Everything to lick down people and do what we are there. Again.
Who are you talking to?
Huh?
Who are you talking to?
Come on, I'm a teammate. I talk about, man. We are talk about this. Come.
Which teammate? Which teammate?
Argentina teammate, them, man. They still have here to come.
Messi so score, man. They might wait for the 89th minute, right? See that now? See that? Hold on. What happened? Wow, 83 minutes on the clock and Argentina just scored 2 goals. What a game. Whoever in our stands must feel real nice. So them get 2 so far, so quick. I'm barely watching this match, but it seems so exciting because Argentina was down 2-0. And I'm going to pack 2 others. I know they're 2-2. And they're at 85 minutes. Shawn is on the edge of the seat. And so is Tavia over here. She's not even on the phone no more.
Yeah!
How are you feeling?
Feeling great, man. Feeling wonderful. Feel like a Sunday evening.
Oh, yeah?
Do this. Push. Send it now. Man, push it down in the ref. Man, push it down in the... Oh. Call it down the ref. I call it out. Watch it on fight. Ah. Yeah, go. I didn't get a young referee, fam. Blow it down the ref. Yeah, alone, you know. Big jump.
Match done.
One goat! How them?
Everybody heard a beat a while ago disappear. How you feeling?
I feel good, you know. I feel good. Yeah. You can't be the champion and just get knocked out, so you know. No man, you have to come hard. But the logo then come back in the second half, bro. Logo then come back in the second half, yeah.